Hey guys, I'm in Putrajaya right now at Le Meridien Putrajaya. I'm sure you guys will be like, what? Another hotel review? So yeah, you're watching this in January 2018, but I'm recording this on Christmas Eve itself. Next door is my brother and his family. So yeah, I'm gonna take this opportunity to do a short review of this hotel. So let's check out the room. Usually for my hotel reviews, all the room is kept clean, and then I do a beautiful, or I think it's a beautiful montage. So I'm just gonna keep it real. So guys, this is the desk. I had some snack just now, so just throw it. So we have a sofa here, so we can just relax and enjoy the view of Putrajaya. This is my bed. It's really comfortable with my two pillows. One is really soft, a very soft pillow, and this one is a bit hard. So it's my first night here. I haven't slept yet, so but I did take a nap just now, so it's pretty comfortable. So this is my area. Yeah, this is my mom's area, and my niece koyakkan the newspaper, so I'm just gonna put it here. And she didn't like the toilet in the beginning because yeah, it's this kind of toilet where you can actually see the view. Okay, let me just clean the room a little bit and then give you a nice shot of the room. Let's check out the swimming pool. Good morning from Le Meridien Putrajaya. This is day 2. It's 9 o'clock and I am at IOI City Mall, and just wanted to try my luck to get breakfast here, but of course the shopping mall is closed. Even Starbucks behind me is still closed. So I think we'll come back to this place at 10 o'clock. So I'm back in my room. Yesterday I didn't get to show you guys the toilet, so this is the toilet. Okay, it has a nice rain shower, very good hot water just now. Really like it. What I like about this bathroom is that it has a tub as well. So I noticed that not a lot of hotels have bathtubs right now. So it's kind of cool that they have bathtubs, and it has these blinds which overlooks the room and the city, but my mom hates this. And this is the toilet, and I actually like the buttons here. It's kind of chic. While waiting for breakfast, let's play with my niece. A B C. Okay, I don't think she's interested. Arya, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hey, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hey. Hey. It's finally past 10 o'clock, so breakfast time at Toast Box. Nasi lemak 1, nasi lemak 2. Okay, I hate this part because this is the part where it's moments away before checkout and I have to do a quick review of this place. Like I said earlier, it's an impromptu decision to actually be here in Putrajaya. It's a pretty good hotel considering that it's Le Meridien, under the Le Meridien brand. The room is nice and comfortable bed. What I really like about this hotel is that it's next to IOI City Mall, which I think is one of the best shopping malls. It has all the restaurants and cafes there and different kind of activities like ice skating. So So if you're planning a staycation right here in Putrajaya for some reason, you can just go to IOI City Mall and do a lot of activities. Within the hotel itself, you can enjoy the swimming pool, but we came here during Christmas Eve as well as Christmas Day, so it was very crowded. But if you're checking in at other times, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. There's also a gym, but of course I didn't go to the gym. And there's also a complimentary Wi-Fi, which is really helpful because I like to be online and stuff. I just realized that by staying at different hotels, some hotels do not offer free Wi-Fi. So having a free Wi-Fi is awesome. What else? The only thing that I think can be improved is that the staff can be a little bit more friendlier. I have to give credit to Element by Westin as well as DoubleTree by Hilton because the staff are just so friendly in the elevator when they meet me at the lounge area as well as at the lobby. They just say hi, how are you? So it's the little stuff. So I didn't get much vibe from here. It's a little bit cold from here. But apart from that, I quite enjoyed my stay. Okay guys, that's it for this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, I'll see you in the next vlog.